Azim and Lamus are injured, so that fight is scrapped. WBC Silver Female Bantamweight title fight between Francesca Hennessy and Ellie Boutel is gonna headline the card, and Francesca Hennessy, having a record of 7-0 out of 7 Oaks, and this chick defeated Fabiana Betici, Carla Camila Campos, Ana Carla Moraes, super technical fighter. Ellie Boutel having a record of 7-0-1, 5'2", 64 inches of reach. Well, she's smaller, fighting out of Shanghai, China. She destroyed Chisaka Naripat, destroyed Prayakat Vangusta, and also defeated Renu Pogat, Panao Kwansang. But I think there are levels between the two. Ellie did well on the local circuit, but I think Francesca is gonna dominate this one. I'm gonna go with over 6.5. That is going to be my official prediction. But I think Francesca gonna dominate, gonna get a decision win, or maybe even a late stoppage. From what I've seen, Francesca is significantly better. From what I've seen.